Today we are going to show you how to install and how to download and install Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular code editor out there. Whether you are coding in Python, Java, JavaScript or any other language, VS Code has covered. Let's get started by going on browser. Go to Google. We need uh, we need to get the Visual Code from the official side. So just type. You can type Visual Studio Code. Here you see that site code.visualstudio.com. This is the official website. Click here, download for Windows. Here you see the other platforms also. When you click other platform, you can see Linux, Mac. So we need installer for Windows 11. So click here. Click here. VS Code automatically detects your operating system. So just click the button, or you can go back here and download for Windows. So here it started downloading. It's very lightweight but packed with powerful features like uh, IntelliSense, debugging, Git integration, and so many things. Open the file folder. So now you can click and install the double click it. You can read the agreement, terms and condition. Next. So where you want to provide, you can give that one, or you can browse. Click next. So here you see this add add to path, register code as an editor for supporting file, add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context. So I'm clicking all these things and I'm creating a desktop icon also. Now you are ready to install. Click install. Click finish to launch VS Code for the first time. You should see welcome screen, which means everything is set up correctly. So you can select the theme like white color, light modern, or light high contrast, dark high contrast, dark modern. So I'm going to select this one. You have successfully installed and set up VS Code. Click here. Now we try to write a small program in Python. So click here file and type test.py. Okay, create a new file wherever you want. So I'm taking the default folder. So here you see, do you want to install recommended Python extension from Microsoft for Python language? Okay, click install. Here you see it is installing. Wait for some minutes. So it's already installed. So you can disable or uninstall or switch to previous version if you already have previous version. So this is the first, this is the new file, new installation. So we don't have any previous version. Click here, test py, and try to print something. Just type welcome Python. So just print in double quote, give whatever the message you want to display. Control S for save. Click save. You can do from here, and you can run here from here, or you can open the terminal. Go here, new terminal, and you can type Python and then the name of the file, test py. See here. So everything is working fine. Even the Python install on our system, that is also working fine, and Visual Code, VS Code also working fine. So we install Python, we install uh, Visual Studio Code, or you can call VS Code on your system. So you can start working on Python or Java or JavaScript or HTML or anything. You can create like any file also, like if you want HTML, something like that, HTML. You can give the file name, any file name, and enter and save. You can create any folder here, your own folder, and you can save there. But I am using the default, and just type HTML and select this one. It will give you HTML code format, and then you start writing. Like you can give head, in the head you can give title, close the tag, save it, and you can check it on website. So you can write different programs like JavaScript, Java, other program like C, C++. It supports so many languages. Thank you for joining me today. Have a good one. Bye.